Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like I just did, and then you can swipe down once more to extend the list of visible toggles, and hopefully in here we will find our Do Not Disturb mode. It's for me located right over here. Once you see the toggle, you can simply hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. Now there is very little options for this, so we have a schedule mode, which it comes with one pre-made. If you want to use schedule, just toggle it on in here, and we can add multiple schedules, and that's about it. If you want to enable it, you're just gonna tap right here on the switch, or you can do it from here. So I just turned it off, and now you can turn it back on. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.